if you have the MasterMap module in AEGIS, then we can supply you with an Ordnance Survey vector MasterMap. These are very large-scale, detailed maps that cover the whole of Britain. The maps for AEGIS come with a data table of all the buildings on the map, and if you click on a building, then it comes up to the top of the table. So we can see the link between the map and the data, which is the TOID, or topographic identification, the theme, the buildings on the map, and the area of the building. I want to add a new field for keywords that indicate the land use on the map. So I'll click on the data table and then go up to the Field Definitions button. This shows the headings or fields and their data types. So I'm going to add a new one and call it Land Use. This time I shall need to put keywords so that we can describe the land use. So I clicked on keywords and now I can type some into the database. So I'll just put a few. So we'll have retail, services, public, and housing. And when I've finished, I'll click OK and move on to enter some land use. So first I'll click on a building, brings it up to the top of the table, click in the land use cell, and there's a drop down menu where I can choose what to put on the map. So click again on the map, choose the land use, and continue. I'm just putting random things in here to show you how it all works. When you've entered a few of the buildings, then we can go to the Display Data wizard and see what it looks like as a land use map. So go to Next, and this time choose Area Shading, choose Land Use, no label, and you can colour these differently if you wish. So you get the land use words coming up, and you can choose how you want to portray them. Land use is a heading for the key, that's fine. And when we finish, you can see that the land use has been filled into the buildings we've already designated. So I'll go up and choose the data key and place that on the map. And then as we continue, I click on another building and enter the land use. Then it's filled in automatically as we go. So it's easy to build up your land use map in this way. It's much better than colouring in a map because you can search the data. So if I use the search wizard and choose land use and just want to show one of those land use items, I can type in a name if I wish to save it, and then it only shows me that on the map. So you can look for patterns of distribution of different functions